In this video, I'll show you how to set up a storefront on Whop. Start by signing into your Whop account or creating one if you don't already have an account. Next, complete your profile and verify your account if prompted. After that, click Create a Whop to begin setting up your storefront. Now enter your storefront name, choose a category that best fits your products or services, and add a description that explains what you offer. Next, upload your logo, banner image, and any other branding elements to give your storefront a professional appearance. After that, add your first product, membership, digital download, community, or service by clicking Add App or the appropriate product option available in your Whop dashboard. Now configure your pricing, billing options, and any access permissions for your customers. Next, connect your payout method and complete any required payment verification so you can receive earnings from your sales. After that, customize your storefront by organizing your products, updating the layout, and reviewing all of your settings. Now preview your storefront to make sure everything looks the way you want and that customers can easily browse your offerings. Finally, publish your storefront and share your Whop link so customers can begin purchasing your products or memberships. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a storefront on Whop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.